Hello and welcome back to another TSP. It's only been about 4 months. A lot's changed. A lot has changed. Car-wise, things to go wrong on the Ford. I've got an exhaust, which we did have footage for of fitting it, but we've lost all the footage for that, so that's gone. Yeah, so it's not ideal at all. And the other day the Ford has developed another issue. I'll try and demonstrate it, but that is a misfire, my friends. I'm hoping it's something as simple as spark plugs, so I'm gonna nip to the shop now, the auto shop, and then I'm going to hopefully get some new spark plugs, and that will fix it, hopefully. Yeah, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. Oh, it best be spark plugs. If it's not spark plugs, it can be what? Coil pack. If it's not that, mass airflow sensor. But she's a sick puppy. I mean, the bangs are nice, but it's not good because it don't go anywhere. Oh dear. I don't like the sound of it. Oh dear me. Yeah, I'm still gonna fix it, but yeah. Raspy. So, just got back from ye old shop like. NGK laser iridium. 5 of them, obviously. There's number 5, that split a pack for me. So yeah, let's have a go at doing this. You know me, I'm not a mechanic at all. I'm just going to blag it. Can't be that hard, can it? Right. We'll need to get a brew on first, and then, yeah, crack on, eh? Right. So, back home, time to get cracking. I don't know if you've been able to notice, but if you can see... Oh yes, we've got vents. Yeah, crack on with the job at hand anyway. Spark plugs. And then we're going to need some tools. Shaking like a shitting dog, it's freezing. Ah, just a drawer. This one. Right, welcome to the indoors, because this is freezing here in the UK. It must be about -1. So, what I'm going to do first is get my feeler gauge, and I'm going to check the gap between the electrodes on the spark plugs. I've got a feeling that, with my Google knowledge, it should be around 0.4 mil, or 0.40. 40, whatever you want to say. So here it is. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That one's slightly bigger, so what I'm going to do with this now is to crimp that down a tad. So I'm just going to push on it. All you need, a little push like that. That's better. Right. Oh yeah, there you go. That's how you know what size you're using. I don't know if you can see on the camera, it's got all the different millimetres. We want 0.40, wherever it is. Yep. Also, with these, with them being iridium, you want to be really careful not to snap the little electrode off there, because they're very brittle. So yeah, just take care when you are using, if you're pushing down on them or what have you. So yeah, I'm going to go back out into the freezing code and freeze my tits off how to do this. So yeah, spark plug's changed. Time for the moment of truth. I'll have to move it before I go out. Right, moment of truth. This angle's going to have to do for you. I'm not actually going to drive it properly yet. I'm just going to turn it on to back it up the drive. So this is a car that I, Joel, have taken the engine apart. Will it start? Don't worry about that chirp. That's loose manifold bolts. Well, I mean, it's on. Let me just reverse it up the drive. Hello. It's on. Yeah. I'll just wait till the choke goes off now. Here it goes. Well, it's not broke. Right, well, I shall shut the garage up and then we will go for a drive, see if I fixed it, eh? Well, so far so good. I'm just letting it get warm now. We're nearly there now. Right, is it time? Shall we try it? No, not fixed it. Well, it's not spark plugs. Bastard! I really hope it's not mass airflow. I mean, you can get a Chinese one for 40 quid, but not going to last, is it? It's alright. I still love you. Right, when I get down here, I'm going to pull over and unplug mass airflow sensor. Catch you in a bit. Oh, that's slippy. It's literally like 1 degree. Right, mass airflow. Right, there you go, she's off. Right, okay. So, we have disconnected the mass airflow. It's really foggy. It's going to be the mass airflow, and that didn't really do much then when I just... No, it's mass airflow. How did I know it'd be the mass airflow? Oh God! Not spark plugs, not a lead, nice and cheap there. No. We're going to be the mass airflow sensor, aren't we? Genuine one's like 260 quid, I think it was. I hope not, I hope I'm wrong. But yeah, like I say, Chinese copy is like 40 quid. I'll be able to proper see if it is down here. Here we go. that's what happens now. Like, that's normal. That's quick. It's just really icy, so that's why we're spinning up. Oh, what a... Right, nice straight road here. Let's give her a go. It's mass airflow. It's 100% the mass airflow. We have now concluded that. Oh, she is quick though. Oh, I do love it. I do love it. Right, anyway, I'll go home and then cry. So, yeah, meet you back there. Right. Well, just washing again. But I've done my research. I was right. £240, well, £240, sorry, £240 for a genuine brand new one. And for a second-hand, there was 2 second-hand ones on there for around 35. And then, yeah, there weren't even any Chinese copies on there anymore. I don't know where I've seen that, but yeah, isn't it fun finding these things out together? Well, I've had an hat on, look at Staten, but yeah. So 240 quid to get the old girl running again. This stuff, what dreams are made of. Very old swaff egg. Yeah, so other than that, what a good day. He's got some new spark plugs. Right, so I'm just going to say that's not a tutorial on how to change a spark plug. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I just do it because I like doing it, so that was that. I mean, if you want to know the tools for the job, it was literally T30 Torx bit to get your engine cover off, either a 7mm socket, or you can get the Jubilee twisty majiggers, like a big rubber, yep, one of them with a 7mm on the end. What else do you use? 10mm to get your crossover pipe off at the back, and an 8mm to get the coils out. And then I think it was either a 17 or a 19mm spark plug spanner, and then just a bit of anti-seize or copper grease, whatever you want to call it, on the threads of your spark plugs when you put them in. And yeah, that's a good point. Don't forget to, once you've tightened your spark plugs once, you want to just crack them off and then tighten them again, just because they've got squish washes on them. But yeah, other than that, it's an alright job. I mean, I'm not great at it, but I'm trying to think. Oh, and you just need to disconnect the sound symposer pipe. That's all you need to do as well, and then you're done. Then you just find out it's not that issue. But I've got new spark plugs now, so yeah. Trying to think, there's something else I have to tell you. Yeah, sorry we neglected everyone for a bit. It's been a bit shit, really. We've had a slight issue with all the footage. We had loads of videos ready to upload, and then yeah, they went gone. Can't get them back. Like, I had my KMS exhaust video, getting it in the box, unboxing it, putting it on, first driving it, and then a little revving video, all gone. Which we're gutted about. We've got a lot more stuff as well, which we'll show you what's going on, but some big changes. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see what's coming, give us a subscribe.